Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a Samsung account. So most people don't know and they feel like it's actually hard to create a Samsung account, but that's very simple. Just feel you need to fill few information about yourself and get that done. So how are you going to do that? How are you going to create an account for Samsung? All you need to do is open up your settings, sorry, and once you open up your settings like this, you are going to see sign into your gallery galaxy. Find your phone first if it's lost. So this is what you're going to see. Actually, all you need to do is you have to click on forgot password, then you're going to see create account. Click on create account, and here you have to click on all this. I have read and agreed to all of the above. Click on agree, and here all you need to do is you have to put in your email and your password and your first name, and that is what it entails to actually get a Samsung account. So once you do this, you can now create an account and it will link to your Gmail account in case anything happens. Yeah, so this is how to actually do that. It's very simple. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.